Guys, I just seen a wolf and I am like so scared. He's right now over there chewing on a bone and I am nothing. I don't know what. Let's get close.
Hey, duck down, get down. Oh, there he is, he just poked his head up. Oh, you look at this. I'm shaking off my boots right now, man. I'm gonna cut, guys. Look at him. Oh.
Okay, so we just seen a wolf. And then he's with another dog, but he doesn't have a collar either. That wolf doesn't either. So we're right now suspicious about this. Let's get a closer look.
Hide right behind that tree, Nadine. Does he see us? Oh, that dog's in the way. I don't know. Just wait.
He's fine.
We're just kidding. This is our dog, Mika.
Okay.
He is a Malamute wolf, and he loves to play around and eat a bunch of bones. That's a real skull right there. I think it's a cow skull. There's a weirdo behind him. Look at him. He's you hungry, eh?